Solution from here on what we have on the right hand side, left hand side here follows when we have a squared minus b squared. This is a plus b times a minus b. So we can rewrite this equation, which is x squared minus y squared equals to 65 now. And this will becomes x plus y into bracket, also open bracket, x minus y equals to 65. And yes, since we multiply two things together, let's break 65 down into two factors. We can write 65 as 65 times 1. Also, we can write it as 1 times 65. Also, we can write it as 13 times 5 or 5 times 13. And when you look at this bracket, the first bracket is greater than the second bracket, which is x plus y greater than x minus y. So here, the first number has to be greater than the second number. And when we look at this four possibility, here the first is greater than the second. Here the first is lesser. This will not work. The first is greater. This first is lesser. So we have two conditions here. That is case 1, when we have 65 times 1. That is, we can break 65 by 65 times 1. It implies this equation, it becomes x plus y multiplied by x minus y can be written as 65 times 1. So direct multiplication here means the first bracket is 65, second is 1. So we can say we have two equations. That is x plus y equals to 65. And we have x minus y equals to 1. That is, we have two equations now, which we can be solved simultaneously. When we eliminate y, we can add here x plus x, that's 2x, equals to 65 plus 1, that's 66. And divide through by 2. Divide here by 2, also divide here by 2. 2 cancel each other here. We have x equals to 66 over 2, that's 33. Then we can get also the value of y from this equation here. That is x minus y equals to 1. So we have 33 minus y equals to 1. So y, that is 33 minus 1 now equals to y. That is taking 1 here, taking minus y there. The sign will change. And we have y equals to 32. 33 minus 1, that's 32. So x is 33 and y is 32 in this first case here. That is, when we write it for the first solution, x1, y1, let's say we have 33, 32. So this is the first possible solution. Now let's look at the second case from here. That is case 2 now. The case of 13 times 5. That is, we have 13 times 5. What we have becomes x plus y into brackets, also into brackets x minus y, now equals to 13 times 5. Then also, it means x plus y is 13, x minus y is 5. So you have these two equations, x plus y equals to 13 and x minus y equals to 5. Solving simultaneously here as well, we can add here to eliminate y, x plus x 2x equals to 13 plus 5 equals 18. And divide both sides by 2 also. Divide here by 2. So divide here by 2. 2 cancel each other here. And we have x equals to 18 over 2, that's 9. Then, to find the value of y here, also use equation 2. X minus y equals to 5. So that we have 9 minus y equals to 5. That is Take 5 here minus y there. That's 9 minus 5 equals to y. That is y equals to 9 minus 5, which is 4. Also have the second possible solution, x2 y2, which same thing as 9 comma 4. So the two solutions here are x1 y1, which is 33 comma 32, and x2 y2, which is 9 comma 4. So let's check now to see if this satisfies this problem. When we substitute the first solution, that is, this equation becomes 33 square minus 32 square. Will it give us 65 here? So 33 square means 33 multiply itself. So we can say that's 33 times 33. When we multiply this, 3 times 3 9, 3 times 3 9, 3 times 3 9, 3 times 3 9. So now we add, this becomes 9, this becomes 18, keep 1. This is now 1 plus 9, 10. So this 1089 minus also 32 square, that's 32 times 32. Also 2 times 2 4, 2 times 3 6, 3 times 2 6, 3 times 3 9. Also we add here, and we have 4 12, that's 10 now, that's 1024. This equals to 65 here. Then when we subtract here now, 1089 minus 1024, 9 minus 4 here, that's 5. 8 minus 2 6, this becomes 0 0. So this is 65 equals to 65 here. So we now have left hand side equals to the right hand side. So this first solution satisfies this given equation. Also substitute the second solution. This equation becomes 9 square minus 4 square is equals to 65 here. The 9 square here, that's 81 minus 4 square, that's 60. This equals to 65 here. 81 minus 16, that's 65. This is equals to 65 here. Also, left hand side equals the right hand side. Hence, this second solution also satisfy this given problem. Thank you for watching. Don't forget this step. Subscribe for more videos and turn the notification bell on. Share this video, give it a thumbs up, please, for comment. See you next class and bye for now.